Most people make the same mistake in a kitchen remodel. They rely on one big light in the middle of the ceiling. But that just creates shadows right where you're trying to work. To do it right, you have to think in layers. Professional lighting design is a three-part system: ambient for the room, task for the work, and accent for the beauty. Layer 1 is ambient. This is your foundation. We use recessed LED cans spaced carefully to fill the room with an even glow so you can move around safely without dark corners. Layer 2 is task lighting, and this is the one people forget. Under cabinet LEDs are the superheroes here. They put the light directly on your counter, exactly where you're chopping and prepping. Pendants over the island are also task lights, but they pull double duty. They ground the room and provide focused light for the kids' homework or your morning coffee. Then there's layer 3, accent lighting. This is the wow factor. Lights inside glass cabinets or along the toe kicks create depth and make your kitchen feel like a high-end showcase. Here's a veteran secret. Put every single layer on its own dimmer. You want surgical brightness for cooking, but a soft, warm glow for entertaining guests later. Getting these layers right requires precision behind the walls. We plan the circuitry early in the demo phase so the switches are exactly where you naturally reach for them. When you layer correctly, you don't just see your kitchen better, you feel the difference. It becomes a warm, inviting space that adapts to your life day or night. Ready to see your home in a new light? Let's design a layout that truly shines. Bella Vista Contractors. We live where you live.